Mandawi. Uy, ang nice. Ang laki ng Mandawi, guys. Uy, thank you so much. Thank you. Yummy plum. Klaro dyan siya po. Ito, maginan na lang po. From another 2 months. For another 2 months. Tagal ko ba? 2 hours ko rin siya. Wala na ikuan. Wala na yung machichika. Iring-iring lagi na sa yung ulubos. Wala man no. Kita dyan siya. Shout out taga Mandawi. Ana si G. Cortez. My ex-GF is Cebuana but I broke up. Why? Why did y'all broke up? I wanna know. Can you check it? Check it naman. Can you chika? About your ex back in December for another 2 months. Taga-asa. Where are you from, Zero? Where are you from? Oh, nilito yung pino. Plus, she asked me money all the time. You pick guro mga Pinay na kung ano, gold diggers. Nag-school pa kayo ni So, school pa kayo. Si Mayor Cortez ang mayor sa Almaty. Of course, she do if she don't have. So, ano ko, of course, she do if she don't have. What do you mean? Just take advantage. I'm from Italia, but I live in Australia. Just choose wisely, bro. Ban-ban. Hey, ban-ban. Ban-ban. Hi, guys. Oh, nag-school pa ko. Mag-4th year. 4th year college. Last na lang. Doon na kay jowa. Nis. Wala ako jowa. Single. Magbisaya lagi ta. Magbisaya ta. You supposed to be here. Highlander. Hi, Islander. Where are you from? Mag-4th year na mapit ako birthday, guys. Kasi na may gift ako, guys. June 23, Sweden. What's your real name? Advance happy birthday gift no kod please me. Restart ko ni i4. Buti ka rin ito. Mapakutan ako daan karon ba? 3, 4. Kami 5 star dari. 4 ni kutob 4 stars. Uy, thank you Zero. 4 stars. 3, 4. Sorry. Uy, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Zero. My real name, yeah. What's your real name? Bun Bun. Hi, Bun Bun. How are you, Bun Bun? board diri nga ang gulgol. Bantay. Manguha sa gan. Vendor daw. Naman sa chat lang si Kuya D. Benzo pag-appeal. Uy, thank you so much, Highlander. Thank you.